Now we have inequality 7 is less than or equals 2 minus 6s. When we have to solve inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of s for which this inequality is true. Let me copy first this. So I have 7 is less than or equals 2 minus 6s. So I can do here, because I have negative 6s on the right side, I will move this term to the left side. Negative will be positive now, so I have 6s, and I will move positive 7 to the right side. So I have 6s is less than or equals 2 minus 7. So let me copy the left side. I have 6s is less than or equals 2 minus 7 is negative 5. So now, because I have multiplication here and I need to get only s on the left side, so I divide both sides by 6. So 6 and 6 will cancel, and I have s is less than or equals negative 5, 6. So now I can draw number line s. I have 0, negative 1. I need 5 over 6, so I have to divide to 6 parts this unit. 2, 3, 4, 5. So here will be negative 5 over 6. Because I have sign less than or equals, so negative 6 is included. And we have less sign, so it's going to the left side. It means to negative infinity. So our interval is on the left side open from negative infinity to negative 6 close on the right side. Now we have to check if solution is correct. I have to choose one number from this interval. I can choose negative 1. So for s equals negative 1, let me copy first this inequality. 7 is less than or equals 2 minus 6s. So for s I will put negative 1. So 7 is less than or equals 2 minus 6 times negative 1. So 7 is less than or equals 2. Negative times negative give me positive. 6 times 1 is 6. So 7 is less than or equals 2 plus 6 is 8. This inequality is true, so our solution is correct.